Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install GTA Vice City on your PC or laptop for free. First, open any browser and search for Rockstar Games. From the search results, click on the official Rockstar Games website. Once you're on their homepage, head to the top right corner and tap the search icon, then type GTA Vice City into the search bar. You should now see GTA Vice City appear in the results. Click on it, and from there you can purchase and download the game directly from Rockstar's official platform. Another popular method is through Steam. Just open the Steam app on your PC or go to the Steam website in your browser. Use the search bar and type in GTA Vice City. When it shows up, click on the game title. If prompted, enter your date of birth, then hit View Page. Now simply click Add to Cart, proceed with the payment, and the game will start downloading right after the purchase is complete. And that's it. You now know 2 safe and easy ways to download and install GTA Vice City on your laptop or PC. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and game installation guides.